In this video, I'm going to show you how to copy a DVD using VLC Media Player, step by step, using only free tools that you probably already have installed. This is perfect if you want to back up your DVDs, convert them to digital files, or watch them on your computer without constantly inserting the disc. I'll walk you through the entire process slowly so you don't miss anything. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple software guides like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open VLC Media Player on your computer and insert the DVD you want to copy into your DVD drive. Give your computer a few seconds to recognize the disc. If the DVD starts playing automatically, you can just stop the playback. As long as the disc is detected, you're good to go. VLC works on both Windows and Mac, and the steps are nearly identical on both systems. Next, look at the top menu in VLC and click on Media. From the drop-down menu, select Convert/Save. This opens the main conversion window, where VLC handles disks, files, and network streams. This is the area where all DVD copying and ripping starts, so make sure you're in the right menu before moving forward. Now, in the Convert window, click on the Disk tab. Under Disk Selection, choose DVD. Make sure the Disk Device field shows your DVD drive correctly. In most cases, VLC automatically detects the correct drive, but if you have more than one, double-check that the right one is selected. You can also leave the title and chapter options set to default, unless you want a specific part of the DVD. Once everything looks good, click the Convert/Save button at the bottom of the window to continue. This takes you to the Output settings, where you choose how your copy DVD will be saved as a video file on your computer. In the Profile dropdown, select Video H.264 plus MP3, MP4. This format works on almost every device, including phones, tablets, smart TVs, and computers. If you prefer another format, you can choose it here, but MP4 is the safest and most widely supported option for most users. After choosing the format, click the Browse button next to the Destination field. Select where you want to save the copy DVD file on your computer. Enter a file name and make sure it ends with .mp4. This part is important because VLC relies on the file extension to save the video correctly. Finally, click Start. VLC will now begin copying or ripping the DVD into a video file. This process can take some time depending on the length of the DVD and the speed of your computer. While it's working, you'll see the progress bar moving just like normal playback. Once it finishes, your DVD copy will be saved to the location you selected. And that's it. You've successfully copied a DVD using VLC Media Player for free. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more easy-to-follow software tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.